Alright, you guys, here we are, going out for another off-road crew adventure. Fun time out on the rocks. I'm just showing you, this is the entrance area. You always see this as you go in, so this is like the first area we crawl, and then we get to the good spot, the main crawling area. I'm so excited, so I can't wait to get back out there and crawl. It's been a little bit, you know, I'm so excited, yeah. Bob with the bob, bang, bang, diggy, diggy, set, boogie, set up, jump, boogie now, bob with the bob, bang, bang, diggy, set, jump, on boogie, wow! I'm ready. I'm telling you, I'm excited. Yeah, so I'm gonna be out with the off-road crew. A glorious shot, check it out. There's the Sierra Nevada mountains. There's that entrance area that we see in almost all the videos, and then we'll see in some videos. If you guys haven't seen them, go back and watch it. That's a little fun area. One of the first walls, rock walls. My videos are in that one. On the back side of that, there's a really nice rock wall. Check out this shot. Is that cool or what? All the crawlers, all the guys, the crew are out here. Look at us in the background. You can see them all up on that rock. Is that cool or what? So of course I just got here, so they're already out here. First thing, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed. And here's the main staging area. If you guys watched a lot of our videos, you'll see these a lot. And then of course all these areas throughout here have wonderful crawling areas all around it. So we'll go up there one day, and then over there, and over there, and then today, well, at least for right now, they're all up over there. That's a really, really fun area. Let's see, on the videos you'll want to look for, that one's Turtle Rock, where they're at right now. And then of course there's upper areas all throughout there, and then this is the whole dirt bike area over there with the berm and the jumps, and then there's like I said, the crawling areas over there. So that's like this is main stage area. That's like area 1 basically. This is the main staging area, big open area up here for parking. You can park tons and tons of cars up there, and then usually all the crawler guys park down here. But that's all the dirt bike guys and people that are going out on the trails will leave their trailers and stuff up that way, and then head out on the trails from here. So it's a great staging area. So oh, would you just take a look at her? Take a look at her, boys. Got my guitar, my hockey stick in case a fight breaks out. We can play some hockey. Alright. Someone's over there wheeling. Maybe we'll see them in a minute. This is like the first test spot we always go to. See if your rig's capable of this, then you know, you got something on your hands here. If you mess up here, then it's where you start over. Oh, it is tricky. No, 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 no. Fix that. I'm gonna be kind of kind of to the left a little, right? But too much gets you in trouble. So I'm going to start with the rear tire over a little further. Alright? So let's kind of wind up more in this ditch a little bit. And then try to go to the left. And bring it to the right. Oh, come on, baby. Nice and slow. Quite tricky. Let's see if I can get you over there. I can see some more. So, it seems like it's not that steep, but once you look into that, I guess. If you guys have seen our videos a lot, you've seen this. Everything tries to get up that first, for the most part, in a lot of the videos, and then you can go from there, wherever you want. Got the sunlight glistening off the truck. Go that way. Just play with it until it goes where you want it to go. I think we'll go over here. See what's going on over this way. And there's our token plane. Almost every single video. Hello. Token plane. And there they are. There's the crew.